Okay, so now it is visible. Tell me, is it visible now? So first question is on your screen. Okay, whatever we have discussed, whatever I have discussed, I'll cover later on, right? So now we are jumping to the question. First question is on your screen. Tell me what would be the answer of this question. The question is, the marks obtained by 15 students out of a maximum of 25 in a test are given 13, 11, 16, 15, 18, 12, 13, 14, 10, 22, 15, 21, 20, 17 and 24. Find the product of the modes of the this set of data. Now we have to calculate the product of mode. Now first we have to understand what is mode. What is mode? Do you know mode? Mode belong to the highest frequency. Highest frequency data is known as mode, or we can say the number, any number which is coming maximum number of time, that number will be known as mode. So in this group of data, 13 is coming 2 times and 15 we have also 2 times. So 13 is coming 2 times and 15 is also coming 2 times. It means the frequency of 13 and 12 same. So the modal value of this class would be, mode will be 13 and 15. So we have 2 value for mode. Here we have 2 value for mode. Now the question is asking the product of mode. So 13 into 15. We can check the unit digit. 5 into 3. Unit digit must be 5. We have only one option in which unit digit 5. So the answer would be 195. If we go on multiplying, so we can check 13 into 15. So this would be 15 3 ja 45, carry 4. 15 1 ja 4, so 19. So 195 is the right answer. Fourth option is the right answer. Yes. Fourth option is the right answer. Okay. Moving to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer of this question. Yes, please. Question is saying the average of 25, 46 and y is 11. What is the value of y? So we know that the sum of all values, sum is equal to average into n, right? So we can say that 25 plus 46 plus y would be equal to 11 into 3, because n, number of observation here is 3. So 3 into 11, so this would be equal to 33. So y would be equal to 33 minus sum of 25 and 46. Sum of 25 and 46, this would be equal to 71, right? So we will get y is equal to minus 38. Minus 38, yes, minus 38 will be the right answer. Yes, minus 38 will be the right answer. Okay, option first. So moving to the next question, tell me what would be the answer of this question. Yes, please. Question is saying one chord of a circle is given as 20.5 centimeter, then the radius of the circle must be. Now we must have a circle. Circle is a figure like this, and we know that the maximum length of a chord can be equal to its diameter, or we can say the longest chord of a circle is diameter. Yes, the longest chord of a circle is diameter, and diameter is equal to twice of radius. Twice of radius. No chord can be larger than the diameter. Diameter is the dia of a circle is the largest chord. Is this clear? I think everyone know this. The largest chord of a circle is diameter. So no chord must be greater than or will be greater than diameter. So we can say that diameter would be greater or equal to any length of chord. So here the length of chord is 20.5. So the diameter must be either equal to 20.5 or greater than 20.5. Is this okay? So here we know that dia is equal to 2r. So 2r must be equal and greater than 20.5. So the value of r must be greater and equal than 10.5. So the radius must be greater than and equal to 10.5. So fourth part is the right answer. Yes, 10.25. Yes, 10.25. If we divide by 2, so this would be 10.25. So r must be greater than and equal to 10.25. So the answer would be fourth. 10.25 is the right answer. Yes. Got the point? Okay. So moving to the next question. From the top of a tower, the angle of depression of the top of 10 meter high building is 60 degree. If the distance between the tower and building 50√3 meter, then find the height of the tower. See here we are given a tower and a 10 meter high building. We can take a tower is this and 10 meter high building this, and the distance between tower and building is 50√3, right? So the angle of depression from the top of a tower to the top of building is given 60 degree. It means this angle is 60 degree, right? So we draw this line. So this would be parallel this, and this would be also equal to 50√3, right? So this angle is 60 degree. So this angle will also be 60 degree because interior alternate angle, right? So we can say that so the tens, if we apply or we put the value of 1060 would be equal to √3:1, right? √3, 1060 is √3. So this would be √3 and this is 1. So 1 is equal to 50√3. Then the value of √3 would be equal to 50√3. So this would become 150 meter. So the height from this to this is 150 and the height of building is 10. So the total height of the tower would become 150 plus 10. So this would be equal to 160 meter. 160 meter would be the right answer. So option third would be the right answer. Yes, please. Yes, everyone. 160 is the right answer. No. Actually, this batch belong to the English medium, right? So here we have to discuss only and only in English. I am not afraid of Hindi. I know Hindi very well and I am more comfortable in Hindi rather than English. But this batch is particularly meant for English medium, right? So this is the English medium batch and I have to be in English discussion, right? So discussion must be in English, right? So that's why I am speaking only and only in English. So moving to the next question. A merchant fixes the sale price of his goods at 42% above. See, 42% above, it means CP is let 100, then MRP would be 142. Yes, is this clear? Or we can say we are moving 42%, right? Rise. And now discount is 15%. Discount is 15%, right? So here we can apply the successive formula. So directly we can say that now we have to calculate the percentage profit, right? So we increase the value by 52%, then we gave discount 15%, right? So plus 42 into minus 15 divided by 100. So this would be equal 42 minus 15, this would be equal to 27%, here minus 15, this would be 6.3, right? So we will get 20.7, approximately 21% would be the right answer. So here we are using the direct successive formula because we are increasing the cost price and printing it, right? So MRP directly 42% high, then we are giving discount 15%. It means we are reducing the price 15%. So the answer would be 21%. Yes, 21% is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Tell me what would be the right answer. So this is again from static chapter. So here we are going to use the direct formula, right? So if we know the formula, because the no information in the form of data handling is given, right? So here we are given data in the language form. So here we can use the direct formula. The formula of mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height. Height, this is the class of size, right? And this is the lower limit of the model class. L is the lower limit of the model class. F1 is the model class frequency. F0 is the just preceding class frequency, just preceding model class frequency, and F2 the succeeding model class frequency, right? So here we are given a set of data presented in the form of a frequency distribution table with class intervals. Their respective frequencies had a mode of 48.5, right? So the mode is 48.5 and its lower limit of the model class is 46.5, right? And the frequency of the model class is given as 34 and just preceding class is 32, right? Divided by 2 into 34 minus 32 and minus, this is how much? So this is 25, right? 25 into h. Is this clear? So if we transfer 46.5 to the left side, we will get 2, right? 48.5 minus 46.5, so we will get 2. 32 minus 30, 34 minus 32, we will get 2. 34 into 2, here it is 68 minus 57, right? Into h. So here we will get 2 into, this will become 11. So transferring this from left side, 11 by 2 is equal to h. 2 get cancelled by 2. So the height, or we can say size of the class, would be equal to 11. Now the question is asking the width of the model class. Width of the model class or size of the model class is represented by h. So answer would be 11. 11 would be the right answer. Yes, 11 would be the right answer. Okay, right. Okay, moving to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer of this question. The ratio of length, width and height of a closed cuboid is given as 6:3:2. The total surface area of this cuboid is given as 1800. So we are given total surface area. We can directly calculate it, right? But we have to. So we know the formula. What is the total surface area? So total surface area of the cuboid is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL, right? So here we can say that this can be 6x, 3x and 2x, right? So the volume would be equal to 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 2, 36 x की power 3, right? So the option must be multiple of 36. So if here we check the options, all options which are not multiple of 36, only third option is multiple of 36. So the answer would be 4500. 4500 will be the right answer. Yes, 4500 will be the right answer. Okay, so we can get the answer just seeing the options, right? Now what is the process of calculating it? So we can say that the total surface area would become 2 into 6 into 3, 18x square plus 3 into 2, 6x square plus 6 into 2, 12x square. So this would be equal to 1800, right? So we will get 900 to 900 cancelled out. So we will get here 18 and 12, 30, 36 x square, right? So we can say that 900 and 9 4 ja 36 and 4 25 time, right? So x would be equal to 5. Here we get the value of x is equal to 5. So volume would be equal to 36 into 5 to the power 3. So this would be equal to 4500, right? So the answer would be 4500. Yes, is this clear? Now moving to the next question. Tell me what would be the answer of this question. Yes, please. Here the question is saying B purchased 15 kg apples at the rate of 180 per kg, right, from a wholesaler who uses a weight of 950 gram for the kg, right? A seller got 950 gram for rupees 180, right, and sold these apples at rupees 180, but used a weight of 750 gram. Yes, here this is question from the dishonest shopkeeper, right? So we know very well the profit percent in a dishonest shopkeeper case is equal to save quantity, or we can say profit quantity divided by given quantity into 100. So this is the formula which we use for dishonest shopkeeper case, right? So here shopkeeper getting 950 gram in rupees 180 and selling 750 gram in rupees 180. So it is clear he is going to save how much? He is going to save 200 gram, right? So 200 gram would be the profit after giving 750 gram. So we can say the profit percent would be equal to 200 divided by 750 into 100, right? 52 times 100 and 50 52 ja 51 ja 50 and 56 ja 150, right? So no, we can cancel out like 750 into 100, right? 0 get cancelled, 0, 5, 15 times 15 5 ja and 15 2 ja 10, right? So 5 3 ja 15 and 5 4 ja 20, 0. So we will get 80 by 3. 80 by 3 is equal to 3 2 ja 6, 3 6 ja. So we will get 26.67% is the right answer. Yes, fourth part would be the right answer. Yes, fourth part would be the right answer. Okay, so moving to the next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. This question belongs to the probability and very good question, and here we can directly use the formula. Question is asking the odd against the event. This probability is given by probability of the failure of B divided by probability of success of B, right? Here we will get the odd against event. The formula of this is probability B bar divided by probability B. It means probability of failure divided by probability of success. We know the formula. Probability of A bar union B bar would be equal to probability of A bar plus probability of B bar minus probability of A bar intersection B bar, right? We know that probability of PA success is 11 by 18 and probability of failure of A would be equal to 1 minus 11 upon 18. So directly we can say that 7 upon 18, right? 18 is the total case and 11 are the successful cases. So failure cases would be 18 minus 11. 7 are the failure cases. So 7 by 18, right? So directly we can say that we are already given 13 divided by 27 would be equal to PA bar. PA is 11 upon 18, so PA bar would be equal to 7 upon 18, right? Plus probability of B bar we have to calculate minus probability of A bar intersection B. See, we have probability of A union B is 5 upon 4. So intersection would be, this would be equal to 4 upon 9, right? Is this clear? Okay. So here we will get probability of B bar. This would be equal to 13 upon 27 plus 4 upon 9 minus 7 upon 18, right? So this would be equal to, take LCM. LCM would be 54. So here we will get 26 plus 26 4 ja 24, right? Minus 18 3 ja 7 3 21, right? So here we will get 50 minus 21, 29 divided by 54. So most probably in the answer we will get 29 in numerator. So here 29 as a numerator is in option C. So the option C would be the right answer. If we have to calculate directly, so we have calculated probability of B bar is equal to 29 by 54, right? So probability of B would be equal to 1 minus 29 by 54. So this would be equal to 24 divided by 54, right? So here we have to calculate this one. So this would be equal to 29 divided by 54 divided by 25 divided by 54. 54 get cancelled, 54. So the answer would be 29 divided by 25. Is this clear? Yes. 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 So this is, there is a one change in the question. You have to make it. This is intersection. A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to 5 by 9. This is the printing mistake, right? So here we are given probability of A intersection B is equal to 5 upon 9, right? Okay. Moving to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer of this question. Yes, please. Okay. We are given P is to Q is equal to 3 is to 4 and Q is to R is equal to 4 is to 7. Then find the value of P plus Q. So here common term is Q. See, common term is Q and which is equal. In the first ratio Q is equal to 4 unit and in the second ratio Q is also equal to 4. So we can say that the ratio of P is to Q is to R would be equal to 3 is to 4 is to 7, right? Now we have to calculate P plus Q. P plus Q, 3 plus 4 is to Q plus R. This would be equal 4 plus 7 and R plus P, 7 plus 3. So this will become 7 is to 11 is to 10, right? 7 is to 11 is to 10 would be the right answer. So fourth part is the right answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Tell me what would be the answer of this question. Yes, please. Now tell me what would be the answer of this question. The average weight of the first 13% among 14% is 78 kg. The weight of 14% is 39 kg more than the average weight of the 14%, right? Find the weight of 14%. Very good question. Here we are given the average of first 13%, right? So the average of 13% is given 78 and we know the value of 14th observation or 14% is x plus 39. So x is the average of 14%. X is the average of 14%. Right? So we have to calculate the value of x. X would be equal to 78 plus extra 39 will be given to the 13, right? Extra 39 will be transferred to the 13%. So each will get 39 divided by 13, each will get 3. So the new average, or we can say the average of 14% would become 81. So the weight, or we can say value of 14th person would be 81 plus 39. So this would be equal to 120. 120 kg is the right answer. Yes, fourth part is the right answer. Yes, fourth part is the right answer. Okay, moving to next question. Now the question is saying, what is the single discount equivalent to successive discount of 20%, 35% and 10%. Here we are going to use the ratio approach of successive method, right? So we have to make the ratio of 20%, 35% and 10%, right? So this would be equal to 1 by 5. This would be equal to 7 5s are 35, 7 upon 20 and 1 upon 10, right? So we can get the ratio of MRP and selling price. 1 is discount, 7 is discount and 1 is discount. So the ratio would be 5:4, 20:13 and 10:9. After multiplying this, we will get 5 2s are 10, 1000 is to 13 4s are 52, right? 52 into 9. So we will get 18,468, right? So the discount would be equal to 532. So discount percent would be equal to 532 divided by 1000 into 100. So single discount percent would be equal to 53.2%. Yes, 53.2% would be the right answer. Yes. So A part is the right answer. Moving to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer of this question. Again, very good question from the probability. Here the question is saying 3 cards are drawn one after another with replacement from a pack of cards. It means we are drawing a one card and we are putting it back into the 52 cards or remaining cards, right? It means that in each time we are drawing a card from the 52 cards. Got the point? In each time we are drawing a card from the 52 cards. So here, what is the probability against first card as a jack card? So question is asking, if first card is a jack card, so how many jacks are there out of 52? Only 4. So the probability would be 4 upon 52. Until the task is not finished or completed, we use multiply sign in probability, right? The product theorem of probability. So second card is black card. So we have 26 black cards. So the probability would be 26 divided by 52, right? Now the third card can be the even number. So how many even number card we have in a one suite? In a one suit, or we can say there are 4 suite. In one suit we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cards in one suite. In one suit we have 5 cards, so we have 4 suits. So total card would be 20, right? So we have 20 cards which have even number, right? So the probability would be 20 divided by 52. Now we have to calculate this. 26 2s are 52 and 4 13 time, right? And 2 10 time and 2 5s are and 2 26. So we will get 5 upon 13 into 26. 13 into 26 would be equal to 338. So the answer would be 5 by 338. A part would be the right answer. Yes, A part would be the right answer. Is this okay? Is this clear, guys? So moving to the next question. Now tell me what would be the answer of this question. So the question is saying, at a certain time in a park, the number of head and the number of legs of the monkeys and human visitors were counted, and it was found that there were 54 heads and 148 legs. The total number of legs are 148, right? Total legs. So we have some monkeys and men, right? We have some monkeys and men. So we know that each man has 2 legs and each monkey has 4 legs. If we split 2 into 2, it means each monkey has twice more leg in comparison to man. Suppose we can say that there are 2 legs for each monkey. It means the total number of quantity of monkey and man would be 54. So 54 into 2, 54 into 2, this would be equal to 108, right? So we have 40 extra leg. So 40 extra leg is coming from monkeys, right? So each monkey have 2 extra leg. If the 2 into number of monkeys, so this would be equal to 40. So number of monkeys would be equal to 20. So the question is asking the number of monkey in a park. So the answer would be 20, right? So 20 would be the right answer. 20 will be the right answer. Is this okay? Yes, 20 is the right answer. Moving to the next question, tell me what would be the answer. Yes guys, Vipin travels 1/3 of the distance of a journey at a speed of 30 km per hour and the remaining distance at a speed of 40 km per hour. If he took a total of 12 hours to complete the journey, what was the total distance of the journey? See, we have to calculate the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. So here we can apply the concept of average speed, right? So we know that average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time, and time is equal to distance upon speed, right? So if we know that, or if we let that the total distance is 3 unit, if we say that the total distance is 3 unit, now the question is saying Vipin travels 1/3 the distance. See, 1/3 is 1 unit, right? So 1 unit is traveled at a speed of 30 km per hour, right? So the remaining 2 unit would be covered at a speed of 40 km per hour. So here we can calculate the average speed. Average speed would be equal, total distance is how much? 3 unit divided by 1 unit is covered at 30 km per hour. So the time would be 1 upon 30 plus here 2 unit is covered at 40 km per hour. So time would be 2 divided by 40, 220 time, right? So here we can calculate 3 divided by LCM would be 60, right? So 32s are 60 and 23s are 60 will go up. So average speed would be equal to 3 into 60 divided by 5. 5 12s are 60. So we will get the average speed is 36, right? So we know that the distance would be equal to average speed into time. Here we are given the time is 12 hours. So the distance would be 36 into 12. 12 into 36, 72, 2 time, and carry 7, 36 and 7, 43, 432 is the right answer. First part is the right answer. Yes, 432 is the right answer. Yes, very good. Alok, you are right. Very good, very good. So moving to the next question. Tell me what would be the answer for this question. A solid cube whose each edge is of length 48 centimeter is melted. When we are melting a figure and creating new figures, there must be, you must know the concept is the volume of big figure. Volume of big figure must be equal to volume of small figure into number of figure, right? So here we have to calculate how many such small cubes can be obtained. So number of small cube would be equal to volume of big divided by volume of a small one. Right here we are given the side of the big one, so the volume would be 48 into 48 into 48, and we would divide the volume of, we are given the small figure is 64, right? So 4 12s are 48, this would be 16 time, again 12, 4 से cut हो जाएगा 4, 12 time, 12 into 12 into 12 we will get 12 into 12 into 12, so we would get 1728. So the total quantity of the small cubes would be 1728, right? 1728 is the right answer. Yes, you are right, Alok. 1728 is the right answer. Moving to the next question. This is from the simplification part. Here we would apply BODMAS rule, right? Here we would apply BODMAS rule. See, so 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 6 bracket 36 45 for division. When fraction is divided by fraction, so right hand side fraction is reciprocated, right? And it is converted into multiply form. So this would become multiplied by 25 divided by 24 minus 12 divided by 21 into 14 divided by 15 into 45 divided by 24 plus this would be cancelled out by 9, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, right? So this would be equal 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 6 into 12 3s are 12 2s are 5 9s are 5 5s are, right? 3 3s are, so this would be equal 5 by 6 minus 12 2s are 24, 15 3s are, and 7 2s are 14, 17 3s are. So 3 get cancelled out, 2 get, 1 would be left, plus 3 by 4 minus 1 plus 3 by 4, right? So 1 upon 8 plus we will get 5 upon 36 minus 1 by 4. LCM would be 72, right? 8 9s are 72 plus this would be 10 and this would be 18. So 19 minus 18, 1 upon 72 would be the right answer. Yes. So B part would be the right answer. Yes. B part would be the right answer. Class timing is 7 p.m. 7 p.m. onwards, 7 to 8. Right. Moving to the next question. Two pillars of equal height stand on either side of a roadway which is 150 meter wide. At a point in the road between pillar, the elevation of the pillars are x degree and y degree, so that 10 x degree is equal to 2 by 5 and 10 y degree is 3 by 5. Then the height of each pillar. See, the height of each pillar is equal, right? So we have two pillars like this, and the distance between these two pillars, we have enough distance and we are given 150 meter, right? 150 meter. The total distance is 150 meter between these two pillars. Here suppose this is the observer, and at a point in the road between, so we take a point here, that is P, and the angle of elevation is x degree, and from this side this is y degree, right? So we are given 10x. 10x is 2 by 5. Now tell me what is 10? 10 is perpendicular upon base. So the height of the pillar according to 10x, so this would be 2 unit and this would be 5 unit, right? According to 10y, so this would be 3 unit and this would be 5 again, right? See, the height of the pillar is equal, so we have to fulfill this condition, right? So we have to fulfill this condition. So we would make the height of pillar equal. So we have to make the height of pillar equal. So here the height of pillar is 2, here this is 3. So we will multiply it by 2 here and we will multiply it by 3. So we will get 6 unit and here we will get 6 unit. Now the height of pillar is equal. So this is related to this. So we will also multiply 3 here and we will multiply it by 2 here. So the height would become 6 unit, and the length, or we can say distance, between the both pillar would become 15 and 10. So the total, this would become 25, right? So we can say that 25 is equal to 150. How much time? So this is 6 times. This is 6 times. So the height of the pillar would be equal to 6 into 6. This would be equal 36 meter. 36 meter would be the right answer. Second option is the right answer. Yes, Palak, you are right. Okay. So moving to the next question. Now the question is saying cost of 2 pencil and 3 pens is 55. So here we can use the elimination method, right? The cost of 1 pencil is x and cost of 1 pen is y. So we can say that 2x plus 3y is equal to 55, right? And the cost of 7 pencils, 7x plus 2y. So this would be equal to 65. So we have to make the coefficient of any one variable equal. So here we will multiply it by 3. And if we multiply the second equation by 2 and 3, right? So we would get 4x plus 6y. Here we will get 7 3s are 21x plus 6y equal to 15 and 195, right? And after multiplying 2, we will get 4x plus 6y is equal to 110. Subtracting this, we will get 6 get cancelled by 6y. So we will get here 17x, right, would be equal to 5 and 85. So the value of x would be 5. So the cost of 1 pencil is 5, right? So the cost of 1 pencil is 5. We have to calculate the cost of 1 pen and 1 pencil, right? So the cost of 1 pencil is 5. Now we have to calculate the cost of pen. So we can put the value of x in first equation. So 2 into 5 plus 3 into y is equal to 55. Y would be equal to 45 divided by 3. So this will come 15, right? So 15 plus 5, 20 is the right answer. So 20 is the right answer. 4 part is the right answer. Yes, 4 part is the right answer. Moving to the next question. The compound interest on 10,000 at 20% per annum is rupees 4,641. So here we are given principal and the compound interest for certain time. So we can say that the principal value is equal to 10,000 and amount, we know that amount is equal to principal plus compound interest. So this would become 14,641, right? So we know that this is the 10 ki power 4 and this is 11 to the power 4, right? So here we get the ratio, or we know that the compounding is done half yearly. In half yearly, the rate get half, right? So for half yearly, the rate would be equal to 20% divided by 2. So 10%. So the ratio would become 1 upon 10. This is the principal, this is the interest for 6 months, right? So the ratio would be 10:11 and the power would be 2n, right? So we can say that n is the year, number of year. So we can say after comparing this to this, we will get 2n is equal to 4. So n would be equal to 2. Answer would be 4 part is the right answer, right? So 2 would be the right answer. Okay. So moving to the next question. Now the question is saying Hari, Kamal and Lalit contested an election in which 650 votes were polled and none of the votes were invalid. It means all cast vote is valid, right? 42%. Kamal got 42% more votes than the votes obtained by Hari and Lalit together. See, if we say that the total vote received by Harish and Lalit is 100%, right? So the vote received by Kamal would be equal to 142%. Is this equal? So the total cast vote, total cast would be equal to 242%. Is this clear? Yes or no? So we can say that 242 is equal to 6050. Now we have to calculate the vote received by Hari and Lalit. So this is 100%. So the value of 100% would be 6050 divided by 242 into 100. Is this clear? So we have to calculate the value of this. So we can cancel it out by 2. So this would be equal to 120, and this would be 50 times, right? So we can say that 5. Yes, this would get 50. So 50 into 50, we will get 2500. So the vote received by Hari and Lalit is equal to 2500. So we have, or we are given in the question, if Lalit obtained 8% of the total polled vote, Lalit got 8%. The total vote is 6050. Lalit got 8%, right? So the 8% is how much? 121 2 times. This is 4 times. So this would be equal to 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 484. Lalit got 484, right? So the how much Hari got? Hari got 2500 minus 484. So this would be equal to 2016. So 2016 would be the right answer, right? So first part would be the right answer. Yes, 2016 is the right answer. Previous one. So this is the previous question, right? You can check it out later on. Okay, moving to the next question. Again, very simple question. We can take all the digit in the single root, right? So this would be equal to 1.24 into 2.79 divided by 2.64 into 5.94. Point would get cancelled out, right? So we can cut these numbers. So by 4, 4 3 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 6 ja 24, 4 6 ja 24, 9 9 9 3 ja 27, and 9 1 ja 9, and 9 6 ja, yes, 66. So we will get 31 and 66. 31 over 66 is the right answer. A part would be the right answer. Yes, A part would be the right answer. Now the question is saying a 6-digit number 11P9 11P9 Q4 is divisible by 624. If a number is divisible by 24, it means that that number must be divisible by 8 and 3. And we know that the divisibility rule of 3, if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then the number would be divisible by 3. So we divide the last 3 digit number 9Q4 by 8. Now we have to calculate the greatest possible value for P and Q, right? P into Q. So here we are going to divide by 8. 8 1 ja 8, we will get 1 8. So here the possible value of Q is, we can take 0, yes, we can take 4 also, and we can take 8 also, right? So the highest value is 8. So we are taking 8 for Q. We are taking 8. So this would be 8 2 ja 16, right? 2 and 4, 24 3 times, right? So Q is equal to 8. Q is equal to 8. Now we have to check the divisibility of 3. If the sum of all digits is divisible by 3, then the number would be divisible by 3, right? So the value for P would be equal to 1 plus 1 plus P plus 9 plus Q take for value 8 plus 4. 9 is divisible by 3. 8 and 1, 9 is divisible by 3. So we can have P plus 5. So the highest value of P, so this can be 15, but we cannot take 10 at place of P, right? So we will take for 12, so value of P would be equal to 7, right? So we would take 7. So we have to calculate P into Q. So this would be equal to 7 into 8. 8 7 ja 56. So A part would be the right answer. 56 would be the right answer. Okay. So moving to the next question, again one of the good question from the time and work. Tell me what would be the right answer. So here the question is saying A plus B can complete a piece of work in 12.5. 12.5 means 25 divided by 2, right? We can write this. And B plus C can complete the whole work in 18.75. It means we can write it 75 divided by 4, right? And C plus A can finish it in 15 days. Now we have to take the LCM. When we are going to take the LCM of fractional value, we take the LCM of numerator, right? So the LCM part would be 75, total work would be 75. So here we can calculate the efficiency. 25 3 ja 3 into 2 6, right? So here we will get 4 and here we will get 15 5 zeros. So the twice of, we add up all these, twice of A plus B plus C is equal to 15. So the efficiency of A plus B plus C would be equal to 7.5. Yes, is this clear? Now we have to calculate the C. In how many days A, B, C? Question is given. We are also taking D, and D who is only 40% of the efficiency of C. So we have to calculate the efficiency of C. See, the efficiency of A, B, C is 7.5. Then what will be the efficiency of C? C would be equal to 7.5 minus the efficiency of A and B, 6. So the efficiency of C would be equal to 1.5, right? And we know that the efficiency of D is equal to 1.5 into 40%. 0 get cancelled 0 and 255.3, right? So 0.6 is the efficiency of D. So the total efficiency of A plus B plus C plus D would be equal to 7.5 plus 0.6. So this would be equal to 8.1, right? So here we can say that the total time would be equal to 75 divided by 8.1. Got it? So this would be equal to 9 whole 7 upon 27. Yes, 9 whole 7 upon 27 is the right answer. D part is the right answer. Okay. Yes, D part is the right answer. Moving to the next question. Now next question is saying the average age of A, B, C is 20 years. 2 years ago the sum of the ages of A and B was 6 more than the age of C. Find the present age of C. See, if the average of A, B, C, so the present sum of A plus B plus C. If the average of A, B, C in present is 20 years, it means before 2 years, the average of A, B and C would be equal to minus to 18 years, right? Because from each 2 will be subtracted, right? So we can say that 2 years ago, the sum of A plus B plus C would be equal to 18 into 3. So this would be equal to 54. Now the question is saying before 2 year, or we can say 2 year ago, the sum of A plus B was 6 more than that of C. It means that A plus B is equal to C plus 6, right? So we can put C plus 6 in place of A plus B. So we can say that 6 plus 6, C plus 6 plus C is equal to 54. So the value of 2C would be equal to 54 minus 6, so this would be equal to 48, right? So the value of C would be 24, and this is 2 years ago. Now we have to calculate the current age. So 2 years ago C is equal to 24 years, so in present he will be 2 years more, so the age of C would be 26. So 26 is the right answer. 26 is the right answer. Okay. So this is the exclusive offer provided by the oliveboard. You can check it out, and you will get 45% flat off over here, and the code which you have to apply, this is FAST, right? If you apply the FAST code, you will get 45% off on the Super Elite. So please download the app so that you will get proper notification, and you can also get the PDF. So open the app and go to the course section. Here you will get YouTube class PDF. You can download the classes from here. And thank you guys. Thank you for today. Thank you for your patience. Jai Hind.